Omnivision. Our problem statement is prototype in the form of an algorithm that can predict the financial future trends based on historical data. Stock market is a component of a free market economy. It allows different companies to raise their capital by offering stock shares and corporate and allows investors to participate in the financial achievement. So there are millions of investors who invest in the stock market daily wise. It is essential to learn market and stock structure and trend before investing in any stock. So here we build a user interactive and friendly dashboard prototype where an investor can easily see the market and stock structure. We also implemented two machine learning models to predict the stock price using historical or previous data as well as to forecast the trend of stock price in the future time period. For our prototype, we can ensure that the investors will get all the information regarding the market environment, also can easily decide whether the invest is or not and what will be the consequences in the future. Problem statement is previously most of the investors depends on the previous data of a stock and based on the statistics they make their decision. Often this decision leads to wrong prediction as investors cannot accurately predict and make the investment. So if a prototype is done which can give the visualization and also the future trend of a stock, then it can lead to correct investment. The idea or approach can be described as follows. Omnivision will provide the convenience to give the complete idea of the current condition of the interested stock and also what is going to happen with the stock in coming days. Previously, investors always seek for platform where he can get the maximum information about the stock for their trade. Our dashboard reflects the exact benefit to our user as it gives overall visualization from every point of view of the stock and also shows the prediction on the past data. It also resolves the problem of investor side because research says that a lot of independent investors are constantly reviewing the past pricing history of a stock and are using it to influence their future investment. But now we can show future trends also just to make their decision more precise and beneficial. The idea or approach that we have used including technical stacks are Python, Flask, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, React, Bootstrap, Heroku, and the libraries include Pandas, Matplotlib, Pandas Data Reader, DateTime, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow, Math, ApexChart, and Plotly. The key features are real-time data, interactive dashboard, great visualization explanation, prediction of future using machine learning, comparison of predictive and original data. The workflow can be described here as here in this project we will create a user interactive website where we are going to deploy our machine learning model by using Flask, MongoDB, React, Express, Node and ApexChart. We will create an API using Flask which collect the array data from the machine learning model and we also collect the recent stock data from Yahoo Finance and then we will insert the data to our database. After that by using React.js we will collect the data from our APIs and then we are going to show the data by using visualization tool of React.js which is ApexChart. By this, we will deploy our machine learning module to a website, then by hosting it on Heroku or any other hosting platform, we will provide a interactive website to the user. For the project, we have used two different machine learning models. Both the model we have used machine learning LSTM model and time series algorithm and also used deep learning concepts and libraries like TensorFlow and Keras to improve our accuracy of prediction. Each model is used in different purpose. The first model we have used stock data from Yahoo Finance and made a machine learning which will predict the values and compare it with actual value. To show the accuracy of the model, we got around 90 to 93% range. In the second model, we used TensorFlow and Keras and time series to forecast the stock value in future time period. We used Yahoo Finance to retrieve the current stock price and used explain technology tools to forecast how the stock trend will go in the future up to 100 days. We have got the values from machine learning model and visualized it for simpler and effective presentation of the stock values and future trend. We have also included some graph like prediction of 150 days of a company stock and comparison of our prediction model and original data. We also got a prototype design of the dashboard, comparison between different companies' class stock value in a line format, comparison between different companies' class stock value in a pie chart. Here we conclude by saying we made a dashboard using MERN. We implemented two machine learning models to predict the stock price. In both the models, we used deep learning concept, LSTM, and time series algorithm to predict more accurate stock value. Both models are for different purposes. The first model is taken and we predicted the stock prices and tested our model according to actual stock price. In second model, we used current stock data from Yahoo Finance and used deep learning concepts like TensorFlow, Keras to forecast the upcoming trend of stock in future time up to 100 days. In the end, we have established the stock data with graphical presentation and it has potential to make a breakthrough in current financial market. Thank you.